go. Now, every time I say a hot line, now I'm gonna try to say something that's whack, but every time I say something that jank hotter than crack, that's a hot rock. I'm just sitting here trying to hot box, and I ain't even trying to sell rocks. I'm trying to just throw the rocks and skip the rocks across the water, cause ain't nobody on the other side of the water to sit here and trade and barter. Let them cook. Let them cook. Let them cook. That wasn't a hot line. I'm talking Pretty Ricky on the hotline. What time is it? 1:35. You gotta sit here and rank your. You gotta tell her that she a 5, but she might be able to boost her score and her rating if she go into the gym and she do some squatting. No Salai, no Sanaa Lathan. Now Sanaa Lathan, you gonna smash her pass. I mean, she got a little, but it ain't a whole lot of. Her face is kind of, and it ain't that. I might have to, I don't know. You gonna smash her pass? I don't know. All right. We got the Don DeMarco. I'm thinking about getting a new phone. Now, if I say I'm thinking about getting a new phone, guess who I'm gonna sign with? It's nighttime and the only thing you hear is the crickets.
Don DeMarco.
It's shit like that. Snap, bro. They said, who you gonna sign with? I said, yesterday I just ran a mile. Yesterday I ran the miles in less than 8 minutes. So who you think I'm gonna sign with? I'm talking Sprint.
Don DeMarco.
It's shit like that. Alright. Hold on, cause I said I'm gonna get a new phone and who you gonna sign with? Okay, let me try to set this one up. If you're gonna play golf, if golf is your preference, even though I have a baseball jersey on, if golf is your preference, you gotta put the golf ball on a. It's a letter. It's a jersey, not a sweater. It don't matter if you're using your legs or some wheels or some Hot Wheels or if you got 4 wheels. Either way, you're gonna be mobile. You gotta put your golf on a tee before you swing. Who you gonna sign with? I'm talking T-Mobile. Okay. Let them work. Let them cook. I said, who you gonna sign with? If I'm talking about get a new phone, if I'm trying to just sit back and watch the sunset along the horizon, who you gonna sign with? I'm talking Verizon.